Hi guys, my name's Olivia, and welcome to the Language Learning Channel, your place to learn real English step by step. Now listen carefully. Today's video is different. You've seen many lessons before, right? But trust me, no one has told you this before. What happens when you spend a whole day without the internet? No YouTube, no Instagram, no Google, just you, your thoughts, and your English. I know what you're thinking. Olivia, I can't live without Wi-Fi. I used to think the same, until that morning. Let me tell you the story of my day without the internet. And by the end of this video, you'll learn how to speak English naturally, even when you're offline. So stay till the end, because the last tip I'll give you will change how you learn English forever. It was 7 in the morning. I woke up, stretched my arms, and smiled. Then, like always, I picked up my phone and said, "Let's check my messages." But guess what? No internet signal. I checked again and again. Nothing. I ran to the router, pressed the button, still no Wi-Fi. For a second, I thought, my life is over. No YouTube, no students' messages, no lessons, just silence. But then I smiled and said to myself, maybe this is a good chance to use my real English skills. Mini lesson moment. Brain. Repeat after me. No internet connection. I can't connect to Wi-Fi. The network is down. Good. These are simple sentences we use in daily life. So I made a plan. I said, okay, Olivia, no internet means no excuses. Today, you'll talk to people, think in English, and practice offline. And that's how my offline English adventure began. So I went to the kitchen. Usually I play music on my phone while cooking, but today, silence again. So I decided to talk to myself in English. Yes, just me and my cup of tea. I looked at the kettle and said, okay, let's make some tea. I'm boiling water. I'm adding sugar. I'm stirring slowly. And suddenly I realized I was thinking and speaking in English without any internet help. Mini practice. Repeat with me. I'm making breakfast. I'm cutting vegetables. I'm washing the dishes. See? You don't need Wi-Fi to speak English. You just need your voice and your confidence. After breakfast, I looked outside my window. My neighbor, Mrs. Lee, was watering her plants. I smiled and said, "Good morning, Mrs. Lee." She smiled back, "Good morning, Olivia. How are you today?" I answered, "I'm great, just no internet today." She laughed. So maybe that's good for you. Maybe she was right. Because without the internet, I was living in real English. Later, I took my notebook and wrote, "My internet-free English day." Then I started writing small sentences about my morning, like this. I woke up at 7 o'clock. I made tea. I talked to my neighbor. It was so simple, but so powerful. I realized I didn't need a grammar app or a translator. I just needed to describe my real life in English. Mini tip. Write about your own day in English, even 3 lines, because daily writing equals daily progress. That was just my morning. But trust me, the real challenge started in the afternoon, when I had to go out and talk to people without using Google Translate. After lunch, I said to myself, okay, Olivia, let's step out. Usually, before going out, I check everything online. The weather, bus timings, even what to wear. But today, no Google. So I looked outside and said, it's sunny. I'll wear my blue shirt. See, Even a small sentence like that is English practice. You can do it too. Mini practice. Repeat after me. It's a sunny day. I'm going out. I'm wearing my favorite shirt. Nice job! You sound great. I walked to the market near my house. I wanted to buy some fruits. Usually I use a translator to talk to the fruit seller, but today I decided no phone, no fear. So I smiled and said, "Hello, how much are these apples?" The seller smiled back, 100 per kilo. I said, "Okay, I'll take half a kilo, please." And guess what? He understood everything. That moment felt amazing. I didn't just speak English, I communicated. Mini lesson. Try using English for small daily talks. At the shop, say, "How much is this? I'd like to buy this one. Thank you. Have a nice day." You'll be surprised how quickly your confidence grows. After the market, I went to the park. Kids were playing, people were talking, and I just sat on a bench watching them. Then a little girl came up to me and said, "Hi, what's your name?" I smiled. "My name's Olivia. What's yours?" She said, "I'm Mia." We talked for a few minutes about her school, her favorite cartoon, her friends, and all of it in simple English. That moment, I realized you don't need a perfect accent. You just need a friendly heart and a few good words. By the time I returned home, I was smiling. I didn't use my phone all day, but I had spoken more English than ever before. That was the magic of staying offline. Real conversations, real confidence, real learning. When I came back home, the sun was setting. The whole day had passed, and guess what? I didn't touch my phone, not even once. I sat near the window with my diary, took a deep breath, and smiled. Then I started writing. Today, I learned how powerful real life can be when you stop scrolling and start speaking. Mini reflection. You don't need a big course. You don't need perfect grammar. You just need small, honest English moments every day. Talk while cooking. Think while walking. Speak to yourself while getting ready. That's real English learning. Let's be honest, we all love our phones. They connect us to the world, but sometimes we forget to connect with ourselves. When I stopped using the internet, I started listening to my own voice, and that voice spoke English confidently, naturally, beautifully. Mini practice. Repeat with me. I can speak English confidently. I don't need to be perfect. I learn something new every day. Say it with confidence, because every time you speak, you grow. So, my friends, here's my small challenge for you. Try living one day without the internet. No YouTube, no social media, nothing. Just you and your English. Write your thoughts. Talk to your mirror. Speak to your friends in simple sentences. And I promise, you'll feel more confident than ever before. All right, guys, that was my day without internet. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because next time we're going to learn how to speak English at school confidently. Till then, keep smiling, keep learning, and remember, you don't need Wi-Fi to speak English. You just need the will to try.